Going on guys, this is Ren. You are watching All About Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to download Windows 10 in any smartphone without root. And guys, it is so simple. You can simply download it from the Play Store, Win 10 launcher, or I can give the link in the description below so you can download it from there. So guys, this is the best launcher I have ever seen for Windows 10. Here you can see there's nothing to do. You need to just do some these things like easy to use guys. You can use Play Store, Skype, Facebook, what you have, and you can search your apps, the personal apps here. And guys, it has off icon, the Chrome, and many other things like contacts, messages, text. That's why I love this. And guys, here you can rotate it, kill task, location, flash. Yeah, it will work all these things. The brightness, for example, 75% brightness, 100%, 0%, data, network, location, and etc, etc. And guys, this is what you need can say. You need to just cut this recycle bin. This is the recycle bin of this headset. User, documents, videos, pictures, downloads. So here you have all the downloads guys, YouTube, Google. And this was nothing that is it work or not. It works great. Personally, it's amazing guys, seriously. After downloading, you need to just do nothing. You need to just do the main thing, which is you need to set it as a default launcher. That's it. Personally, I love the launcher. Hope you like the video. Please like and share, comment for another video of your choice. Thanks for watching, and guys, have a nice day. But don't go without like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.